In this video I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music in background without any apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. For that I'm gonna use my Chrome browser. Just open it up and here search for YouTube, then go to YouTube, and now you see that mobile version of YouTube is appeared. You can check it easily. Just look in your address bar, there will be m.youtube.com. M means that there is a mobile version. That's important. Later you need to change that to desktop version. So now let's find for some music. I will search for no copyright music. You can search there whatever you want and then open up some video, and now you can see that music start playing. I'll pause it for now because now you need to switch side to desktop version. For that, tap on share icon right there to bring up that menu, and there look for request desktop site and select that. Now YouTube loaded in desktop version. Check your address bar, just youtube.com must be right there, and now you can play that music like that. And now you can hop out that window, that screen, and now you see that this small version of site is appeared right here. Basically it's a video that playing on YouTube, and now you can lock your screen and you see that music is still playing on the lock screen. So now you see how it works. The music is playing while screen is locked. I hope it helps you guys. So before you go, please like and subscribe.